In It's 150 women printmakers.
I think it's a wonderful show. I have had a little sneak peek, and the best part of it is it's all women, and printmakers are usually women make very good printmakers, I have to say. And the show is a bit of a surprise. I never expected that it'll be so beautiful, and it's beautifully displayed as well.
Right. Could you tell us a little into the evolution of printmaking and how I don't think women were pretty well represented at that point in time. So the show actually spotlights that?
I agree that printmaking in itself is not very well spotlighted, so I'm so happy to see that it's a very tedious process. It's very easy to paint a painting, it's not very easy to do printmaking. It requires a lot of patience, it requires a lot of work, and though it looks easy, it's not easy at all. And I think it's wonderful that so many women are so well represented. I have seen the show in Delhi, but I think I like it here much more.
Thank you so much. What do you have to say about Navsparsh? 150 women, even printmakers, are being showcased.
It is a wonderful initiative, and whoever has done it, Shruti and everybody else, Nidhi ji, Dr. Sanjeev, it is a tribute to the artists. It was done in Delhi, now it is in Mumbai, and it is of significant importance.
And what do you have to say about the artworks? Any particular favorites here?
Well, I love the one when I look at that, that painting there. It somehow reminds me of Pahalgam, the man looking and all of that. The beautiful work which I have to go and see. Thank you.
It's taking place at the NGMA, not only because it's on the subject of printmaking, but it features women artists, and it is important that their contribution should be acknowledged and should be seen by people, because they have a different attitude towards life, different way of looking at things, and that should be noticed, and that should be that should be noticed and appreciated. Thank you. You'll have to cut the last.
Yeah, that's Navsparsh. It's 150 Indian
Women printmakers. Well, I don't know whether you're aware, printmaking is my number one passion. And I've done many, many shows. I think I can proudly say that it's one gallery, Simrosa, that has done much to promote this art of printmaking and the study of printmaking, not only in this city, but in all the four corners of India. And we have taken 200 prints all over the country several years ago. We've commissioned printmakers over 3 series of projects called Zal Praxis, taking to another 100 printmakers. But the women printmakers are really something special. Printmaking is a very physical process. It requires a lot of energy. The lithographs, the etchings, the wood cuts. Serigraphs is okay, that doesn't require too much physical. And to run those old presses, so it's a lot of work, and then you can see, it's not just one plate. There can be sometimes many plates, and sometimes there can be aquatints, and there can be cameos and reverse objects. So I think it's a very creditable thing that NGMA has brought this show to Bombay, and I think city should learn, because even very well-known collectors think that printmaking is copies. But there are editions, and they're limited editions. There can only be 5 or there can be 20. Very senior artists like Salvador Dali did 500 prints, because Picasso did many prints. But here the numbers are still restricted. So I'm very happy to be in the MGM today, and especially happy that the Director General has come, and he's a printmaker himself. So it gives us a great feeling of being part of a very happy family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Show 150 women printmakers, and you are a printmaker yourself.
Right.
So, what do you have to say what do you have to say about NGMA bringing this show to all Mumbaikars?
Actually, this is the initiative by NGMA. Being a printmaker, I'm always keen about the legacy of the printmaking, especially the contribution of the women printmakers, which is very, very important. Normally, people are not very much recognized earlier to all legacy of the women printmakers. मेरा नव स्पर्श करने के पीछे लॉजिक बहुत स्पष्ट सा है कि पूरा एक परंपरा है भारतीय छापा कला संस्कृति का, जिसमें वुमेन प्रिंट मेकर का कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत है, जिसको उस रूप में कभी रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया गया। तो बीइंग ए प्रिंट मेकर मुझे हमेशा से लगता था कि अगर मैं कभी उस दृष्टिकोण से जब देखूंगा तो सारे जो लेगेसी वुमेन प्रिंट मेकर्स का है उनको एक साथ शोकेस करके, और फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग अनुपम सूद से लेके नैना दलाल और रीनी धुमाल से लेके, और जो अपकमिंग प्रिंट मेकर्स हैं जो बहुत अलग अलग आर्ट्स कॉलेज में बहुत डिफरेंट स्टूडियो में काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग सो मेनी स्ट्रगल अबाउट द प्रिंट मेकिंग। एज यू नो, प्रिंट मेकिंग इज़ अ वेरी वेरी टफ एंड द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ द मीडियम। तो उसको, उस स्ट्रगल को साधुवाद में करता हूँ, उस स्ट्रगल को मैं अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ, और दिस इज़ द वे ऑफ द माई अप्रिशिएशन विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्टर ऑफ द वुमेन प्रिंट मेकर्स इटसेल्फ।
राइट, आपके कुछ पर्सनल फेवरेट्स हैं इस शो से?
अब ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ माई फेवरेट वन, बट मैं कह सकता हूँ कि यू नो व्हेन आई स्टडी इन BHU दैट टाइम आई थॉट यू नो, एक काम मैंने अनुपम सूद का देखा था विच इज़ अ वेरी वेरी यू नो लाइकिंग फ्रॉम माई साइड। उनका नेशनल अवार्ड उस समय उनको मिला था, और बीइंग ए स्टूडेंट्स जब मैंने उसको देखा न्यूज़पेपर में छपा हुआ, तो मुझे लगा कि मेरा समय कब आएगा, मेरा टाइम कब आएगा। दैट इज़ डिफरेंट कि मेरा आई एम वेरी मच ब्लेस्ड और माई गॉड कि नेक्स्ट ईयर ही मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिला, बट डेफिनेटली दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रिंट इज इंस्पायर्ड मी। और जब मैं एज ए DG ज्वाइन किया तो फर्स्ट टाइम द ओकेजन ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे अनुपम सूद को मैंने फैसिलिटेट किया, और उस समय ही मुझे लगा कि फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग टू अभी कंटेम्प्रेरी के जितने भी प्रिंट मेकर्स हैं उन सबको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस देना चाहिए, और NGMA इज़ द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस टू रिकॉग्नाइज ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द country, the legacy of the women printmakers. So this is the idea. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Roll. Nidhi, a warm welcome. Such a beautiful exhibition by you all. What made you put a show like this together where 150 women printmakers are coming together?
Printmaking in India is having a very rich heritage, very rich legacy, but somehow, as has been the fact with most fields in India, patriarchy or the male dominance has affected this field also. So in Delhi NGMA, somewhere this thought came that we have to acknowledge the works of female printmakers, and that's when in August 2024 this show was conceptualized and inaugurated by our Minister of Culture, Shri Gajendra Ji Shekhawat Ji in Delhi, and we have brought it to Mumbai. So the brainchild, it is of the Director General Shri Sanjeev Kumar Gautam Ji, who is also our Director General, and the idea behind this is to showcase the works of the female printmakers. There are works of 150 printmakers here in this exhibition, which are from 18 states of India. So somewhere when you will be going through these works of art, you will have a feeling and a connect with all the women of India. So the idea was to give them a platform and also to showcase the legacy that we have with the female printmakers as well. And I am sure that with the visitors who will be visiting NGMA Mumbai, a lot more young boys and girls will also be developing interest in printmaking as a field of art.
Right. Thank you. What do you have to say about Navsparsh? 150 women printmaking artists.
Thank you, Nandini. It's wonderful. I'm still yet to go and see upstairs, but whatever I've seen, it's amazing, and the kind of hard work that goes in behind each print that comes out. I have kind of studied it a bit but not practiced it, so it's amazing to see that we have such iconic women printmakers. It's quite a male dominated industry, the printmaking industry, but it's really heartening to see women, such noted women artists, women printmakers, and I'm sure for the generations to come, it is only going to
you know, the space is going to be wider and bigger, and I'm sure they will walk hand in hand with the male printmakers, and perhaps even do better.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because no stopping for women. And yeah, I hope to come back again another day and see this in detail at leisure. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Roll, Pramod. Shruti, obviously it's a beautiful exhibition. हमने बहुतों से बहुत कुछ सुन लिया, but आप हैं क्यूरेटर, तो आप हमें क्यूरेटोरियल पर्सपेक्टिव दीजिए कि क्या-क्या लगा इस शो को पुट टुगेदर करने में?
For me, putting up this show was a challenging task because we had so many artworks, so many mediums. We call it printmaking, but it has so many branches. There is etching, there is engraving, and aquatint, different mediums. And all artists coming from different backgrounds, they are taking up different themes also. So when I saw all these works coming to me, and I opened the box, and I thought how to put it. That was the first question. And then slowly and slowly, I found it like it was like something, a guidance which came from, I think, the divine force. Because all the artworks, most of the senior artists, like the Anupam Sood and then Rini Dhumal, Lalita Lazmi, they had a complete series. And this series, they were quite expressive. They were self-explanatory. So if you will see them, they are like the expressing the printmaking mediums, but expression of their different emotions, like the love, like migration, different topics they are talking about. And then I just thought like to put it in a theme-wise sequence and making it more understandable. I don't want it to be, something very abstract and the common people who they can't understand it. So this was my main basis. And there's a special corner which we also created for the family and the children. They can feel, warmth around. So as you enter around the, the auditorium area on the fourth floor, there is a small section where we have different moods. Family, like there is couple, there's entire family there. Someone is eating watermelon, someone is the sour bath. So that is my special corner from my perspective. But besides that, we have number of the series coming in this exhibition. Like you can see Krishna Devyani's work, which is talking about religious themes and spiritualism at one time. Like she has made lingas also. There is Allah also. It's like the union of different traditions and also the thinking. And then there is Jarina Hasmi's work on the first floor, which talks about the symbols and the signs and the geometry and its links. So it's about, she is talking about sky, she is talking about earth. So different elements, but in the way of the symbols. So it's like a complete, array or different kinds of work. But all of them together, they are like giving us like the wonderful opportunity to explore the different mediums of printmaking. Thanks.
Right. Any particular favorites that you have from the exhibition? I mean, so many works, you must have seen all of them.
Right. One of my favorite work which I put, just at the front. When you enter, you can see the title of the exhibition, and there is one work called Godly, and it's done by Jayashree Burman. And I like the way she expressed it's about the consciousness or the awareness, but it's very childlike. You can see there are so many hearts in the bust area. Then how you go towards the upper part, then there is sky, there is the forest behind. So the earth element, so the sky element, and then there is the awakening. And it's very much childlike also. So that is my favorite. And one of the Anupam Sood, which it's the second position after the director's note. And it's about the different mood of a couple, different emotions. There is love, there is musing, there is, the thirst also, and there is also some worries between them. So I just love these words. Thank you.
Thank you. 150 artists एक साथ आ रही हैं यार, women printmakers. How does it feel for you?
It's really exciting. I'm still a student, so it's a big opportunity for me, for my artwork to get displayed here. And I didn't even know before participating कि ये इतना you know, it'll be so big, and now I'm really nervous, but I'm really, really happy. So that's it.
Right. Thank you. That's all
Thank
that
you. Okay, thank you, thank you.
प्रिंट मेकर जो 150 एक साथ पार्टिसिपेट करते हां
राईट खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे ही मुंबईमध्ये NGMA होते आहे आणि सगळ्यात पहिले मी त्यांना थँक्यू म्हणते NGMA मुंबईला आणि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर इंडिया यांचं धन्यवाद सगळ्यात पहिले मी देते आणि इथे सिनियर प्रिंट मेकिंग आर्टिस्टबरोबर आमचंही इथे काम डिस्प्ले झालं ही मोठी गोष्ट आहे आमच्यासाठी सो थँक्यू सो मच आज ही आमच्यासाठी खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे थँक्यू नाही